Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin is testing resistance near $80,000. Geopolitical relief is giving markets a boost, and traditional cycle models are coming under serious scrutiny. Bitcoin is currently trading at approximately $77,423. Bitcoin flirted with $80,000 over the past few days, reaching an 11-week high around $79,400 before pulling back. The rally came after President Trump extended the Iran ceasefire indefinitely, easing geopolitical tensions and triggering roughly $240 million in short liquidations. But analyst Matt Crosby from Bitcoin Magazine Pro argues the traditional 4-year halving cycle has broken down as a predictive framework. His reasoning centers on structural changes. 95% of Bitcoin's supply is already issued, depleting the supply shock effect. Institutional demand from spot ETFs and treasury buyers like MicroStrategy is now acquiring over 1,000 BTC daily, pulling in nearly $750 million in a single recent session. Crosby points to an 85% correlation with global liquidity and a 93% monthly correlation with the S&P 500. Instead of watching calendar dates, he recommends monitoring on-chain indicators and macro conditions. On the regulatory front, the UK Financial Conduct Authority conducted its first coordinated crackdown on illegal peer-to-peer crypto trading, raiding 8 locations across London. Officers issued cease and desist notices and gathered evidence for criminal investigations. The FCA currently has 0 registered peer-to-peer crypto traders in the UK, meaning all activity operates outside regulatory oversight. Meanwhile, the $292 million Kelp DAO exploit continues sending shockwaves through DeFi. The attacker drained over 116,000 RSETH tokens and deposited 89,000 RSETH into Aave as collateral, borrowing roughly $190 million. Aave Labs froze RSETH markets, but potential bad debt exposure ranges from $124 to $230 million. The hacker has converted approximately $175 million in ETH to Bitcoin via Thorchain. On the legislative side, the Clarity Act faces a tight timeline. Senator Bernie Moreno says the bill must pass by the end of May or risk delay until 2027. Prediction market odds have improved from 38% to 46%, but at least one Republican committee member is still pushing to delay the markup. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent warned that continued delays risk pushing innovation to international markets like Dubai and Singapore. Ethereum is currently trading at approximately $2,314, while Solana sits at around $85.42. Ethereum tested the $2,400 resistance zone multiple times but has struggled to hold above it. Consolidation above $2,400 to $2,450 could trigger a major reversal, while failure may lead to another correction. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.